we divide 631 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 3 and it is 13. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 1 and it is 31. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 631 divided by 5 is 126 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.